Hello, good day to you all. Welcome to Swapas Educational Consult. In our today's class, we shall be applying cofactor method and sarrus method to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. We want to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix using two methods today. We are going to be using both cofactor method and sarrus method. Let's first of all take cofactor method. The same question. Thereafter, we are going to apply sarrus method. Cofactor method is of this formula. Don't forget, it is having plus, minus, and plus. This is the formula for cofactor method. And this method, these signs, plus, minus, plus, will be having effect on every element along the first row. All the elements along the first row will be affected by these signs, the sign of plus, minus, plus, meaning that the first element will be affected by plus, the second one will be having another negative, the third one will be having another positive. Let's go. The first element here is 2. We take the 2 out. By the time we take the 2 out, don't forget we have to block every other element along the same row with that 2. And every element along the same column with that 2. Since we have taken the 2 out, this is the 2. We are taking it out. All these elements are blocked. All these other elements are blocked. What do we have left? We have 3 minus 2, 5, 3. 3 minus 2, 5, 3. That is what we have left. We come to minus 3 and pick minus 3. Don't forget, this minus is going to have effect on this minus 3. Minus multiplied by another minus becomes plus. That is, we are having minus 3. This minus is the first one. The 3 itself is having another minus, making 2 minus now. The first minus is from the method. Don't forget. So by the time we take minus 3 out, we are going to block all the elements along the same row with 3, with that minus 3. And other elements along the same column. Along the same row, I block them. Along the same column, I block them. Other elements I have, let us write them down. We have 4, minus 2, minus 1, 3. 4, minus 2, minus 1, 3. That is for the second one. Then the third one is 1. I take the 1 out. By the time I take 1 out, I have to block all the elements along the same row with that 1. And all the elements along the same column with that 1. I have what left? I have 4, 3, minus 1, 5. 4, 3, minus 1, 5. Are we getting it? Okay. Now, we have to apply the method of determinant now. So the first one is 2. Don't forget, 3 multiplied by 3, major diagonal. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 10. Don't forget. The product of the elements along the major diagonal minus the product of the element along the minor diagonal. This is the major diagonal, this is the minor diagonal. Don't forget. Minus 3 give us plus 3. Are you getting it? Then this one, 4 times 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 2. Are you getting it? Okay, we come to this place, 1. By the time you take this 1 out, major diagonal, 4 times 5, 20. Minus 1 times 3, minus 3. You close your big bracket. Are you getting it? Okay, let's go on. We go on and say we have 2. 9 minus 10. That is 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10. Then plus 3. This is 12 minus 2. Then plus 1. This is 20. Minus 3 is plus 3. Don't forget. Take note of that. Therefore, we are going to have this one is 9 plus 10 is 19. To multiply by 19, We have 2 into 19 plus 3 into 12 minus 12. 12 minus 2, that is 10. Then plus 1 into 20 plus 3, that is 23. 23. Are we following? Okay. What is 2 multiplied by 19? 38 plus 3 multiplied by 10. 30 plus 1 multiplied by 23 is still 23. Let's add these things up. Let's add them up. 38 plus 30, that is 68. 68 plus 23, 68, 23. 1, that is 91. So the answer is what? Is equals to 91. That is for cofactor method. Let us now apply sarrus method and see if we are going to get the same answer or not. The question again is 2 minus 3, 1. 4, 3, minus 2. We have to apply sarrus now. Minus 1, 5, 3. Sarrus. And the sarrus method is of this nature. Look at it. This is the original question. The first 2 columns, after you might have written the original question, you write the first column, the second column, you join them with the original question. The first 2 columns, you write the first 2 columns and join them with the original question. Take note, that is the formation of sarrus. We have 2, 4, minus 1, minus 3, 3, 5. Don't forget, the first 2 columns, after writing the main question, you now take the first 2 columns, write them, join them with the original question. Is that taken? That is very important. Now we have done that. We have to look at the element along the major diagonal from here. Take them out like this. Take these ones out like this. Then take these ones out like this. These are the major diagonal. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. Are you getting it? You multiply all the elements together. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Then you go home. Plus minus 3 times minus 2. That is plus 6. Plus 6 times minus 1. That is minus 6. Plus 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Are you getting it? Those are the elements along the major diagonal. Then you do the same thing to minor diagonal. You take them like this from here. Are you getting it? 3 times 4 is what? Is 12. 12 times minus 3. 12 times 3, 6. That is a minus 36. So this is the, for the middle diagonal, minus the minor diagonal now. We said this one is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times minus 3 is minus 36. Minus 36 plus 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 10 times 2 is minus 20. Are you getting it? Plus minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 times 1 is still minus 3. These are the elements along the minor diagonal. Major diagonal minus all the elements along the minor diagonal. The product of them. The product of each of the elements. You add each of the elements. You find the product of each of the elements. You add them together along the major diagonal. You find the product of all the elements along the minor diagonals. Then you add them together as well. Now we have 18 plus minus 6. That is 18 minus 6. We have 18 minus 6 plus, because in mathematics, anytime you come across plus and minus together, you just simply write minus. So 18 minus 6 plus 20 for the major diagonal minus 36 Plus minus, you just pick minus. Minus 20 plus minus 3, minus 3. Are we following? What is 18 minus 6? That is 12. 12 plus 20. 12 plus 20, 2, 3. That is 32. 32. Then we have minus 36, minus 20, minus 3. Minus 36 minus 23. 36, 23. 9, then 5. That is a minus 59. Are we following? We have minus 59. So we have 32. Open the bracket now. This one is a minus minus making plus. By the time you open the bracket, you have 32 plus 59. What is 32 plus 59? 9 plus 2 is 11. You write 1, you keep 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. Plus that one making 9. The answer is equal to 91. You see now the same thing we get when we apply cofactor method? It's the same thing. I believe it's clear to us. If it is not clear, you can still watch the video again. Watch it over and over. Then you can still set question on your own. Set a question for yourself, 3 by 3 matrix, apply cofactor method on it, apply sarrus method on it, and check out if you are going to get the same answer or not. If you are able to get the same answer, that means you are okay. If you do not get the same answer, that means you still need to watch this thing again. Watch it for a better understanding. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care of yourself. Share our page, like our page, and give your comment. Thanks so much. See you later. Bye bye.